Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool kids toy. This is by a company called MUNBYN. They sent this over, and this is their SP01 AI kids sticker printer. So this thing uses thermal printing to make custom stickers that their imagination just let it go wild. Really, really fun. So it's going to come in this little box right here. Naturally, you're going to get a user manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now, it is going to come with 3 little rolls here to get you going. This is continuous sticker paper. So depending on if you're wanting to just do a standard little sticker or you're wanting to even do a bunch of photos, you can do that as well. But how this thing works is you're going to go ahead and connect it to the MUNBYN app when setting it up for the first time, and then it's going to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. This can connect either via the 2.4 gigahertz to or your 5 gigahertz. So depending on your Wi-Fi setup, you don't have to worry about splitting them or anything like that. It'll be able to do both. And then it's ready for kiddos to utilize. It's nice and compact. It's about 4.5 inches wide. It's about kind of 8 inches in depth and 6 inches in height here. There is a nice bright color screen here in the middle that is going to show them your custom artwork that you're creating via the AI. It lets them look at it before and then it automatically prints, if you will. So how does it work? You're simply going to press this little button here, and you can sit there and say whatever you want. A cat guarding a castle and meowing angrily over the drawbridge. And now it's going to start thinking, and it's going to be going via the Wi-Fi and using that internet. Now it has all the safety features built into it, so it's not going to grab anything inappropriate or anything like that. And you just have to connect it to that app to get it going for the first time. And it'll show you your image, and then you will go ahead and see here is the sticker right here on the end. So just go ahead and rip towards the back, and it'll be able to pull out the sticker for you. Really, really cool, really, really fast. Get them off screens. They can still use computers, AI with this little device. And then this sticker, because it's black and white, they can also come in here and color it with pencils or markers if they wish. And then they can go ahead and put it in a sticker book. They do comes with a nice little blank sticker book here that you can go ahead and fill out, or they can use them wherever they want. Now, all the imagery is going to come in black and white because it is using thermal rolls. The rolls themselves are essentially 1¼ inches in max and about 2 inches in thickness. I recommend using the MUNBYN rolls because they just come out with a nice, crisp, clear quality, as you can see with this guy. But you can use basically any thermal roll as long as it fits in that dimension size. This is continuous as far as stickers, so you don't have any cutouts or have to worry about aligning or anything like that. And as you saw, it prints really, really fast. It can do basically 50 pages, if you will, of these things in a minute. So it can pump out a lot. Now, through the optional app features, like the kids don't need the app to get this going. It's just how you set it up. But through the app, you can go ahead and look at those old designs. So if your kid comes up to you and be like, hey, I want to reprint this, maybe that was a month ago, you can go and see the history, which is nice. And then, like I mentioned, it does do photo strip, so you can kind of set up your impromptu own photo booth. And that you do have to activate through the app because you're going to use those photos in the app and then print them out here as well. But it's just a really, really cool way. It's a great little device. If you're looking for a great, fun gift to give to the kiddos in your life, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you look curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do tip and respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.